Hey, what's going on, mechanics? Welcome to another video. So, I'm gonna show you guys how to make some vegan mac and cheese, the baked vegan mac and cheese. I already had like an initial recipe on my channel, but I really just wanted to separate my second recipe or the updated recipe for my vegan mac and cheese, because the first one I was still kind of learning and it was cool, but I redid my recipe. It's in the Thanksgiving video. A lot of you've already seen it, but some people still ask me for my new recipe. So I just thought that I should just take the footage from that recipe and like from my Thanksgiving recipe and just make a separate video for it. I do have plenty more videos coming, so just be patient. But in this video, I'll show you how I did the vegan mac and cheese at Thanksgiving time. It is so good. It is so delicious, so cheesy. Oh my gosh, like, make this for your friends and I guarantee that you're gonna make them go vegan. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. I add about 4 cups of unsweetened almond milk. Now actually we only need about 3. 3 cups of unsweetened almond milk. Bam! Two tablespoons seasoned salt. Little garlic and herb Miss Dash. And a bit of smoked paprika. It'll make you a freaka. You cook this on about a pretty medium heat there. So what you just want that to do is to cook up and start boiling, and then you add your cheese to it. Okay, now that the macaroni elbows are cooked, what we're going to do now is add the milk mixture. I use almond milk unsweetened, like I said. I have seasonings already in it. Just add that right to it. And then we're going to add the cheese as well and stir it up. So I took some child cheese out the pack. We're going to cut it up. Actually, I'm only going to need about half of the pack. Oops. Almost cut my dang on finger off. So we're just going to throw cubes of this right up in there. We're going to mix that up in there. So it's going to cook. When it cooks down, it's going to have you nice little cheese chunks in the mac and cheese. So we're going to just put this in a tray and put it in the oven. I topped it with some Daiya cheddar shreds. Eat grass, not ass, and I'll see you in the next video. But go check out